In today's video, I am going to teach you how to pull web data in Google Sheets in 5 seconds. #Google Sheets, #Spreadsheets, #web data. Start by opening the Google Sheets file where you want the web data to appear. Make sure you are in the correct tab and looking at the grid where you can type into cells. It helps to click into an empty area of the sheet so you are ready to enter a function right away. This method is designed to be fast, but it still works best when your sheet is clean and you know where the imported results should land. Next, click into the cell where you want the pulled web data to begin. Now type the word highlight. As you type, Google Sheets will often show suggestions or autocomplete options, and that is a good sign that you are entering a recognized tool or feature connected to the spreadsheet. Keep your focus on the cell and the formula bar area, because that is where you will see what Sheets is preparing to do. At this point, you may see a prompt that requests permission to connect or access data. This is normal anytime a spreadsheet feature needs to reach outside the file, such as pulling information from a web source or using an add-on style connector. When you see the permission message, click Allow Access. This tells Google Sheets it is okay to proceed and retrieve the data you requested. After you allow access, give it a moment to complete the connection. Once permission is granted, the feature can run without being blocked by security settings. If you are working in a managed account, like at a workplace or school, you may need to use an account that has permission to authorize access. If the prompt does not appear, or if nothing happens, reselect the cell and type highlight again to trigger the connection request. When access is allowed, your sheet is ready to pull web data quickly using that feature. Keep your results organized by leaving space for the imported content to expand into nearby rows and columns. That covers everything you need to know.